Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, good afternoon. This is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a 3-bedroom, modern house and lot for sale located here in a secure community in BF Homes, Paranaque City. This is a great find because this is a very manageable property and it's very near Alabang already, and you also have fast access towards Sucat Road through President's Avenue heading towards the airport and Skyway. Now join me as we explore this property. Now this house has a tiled front porch area. So you can consider this an additional amenity area already. You can have a table here, entertain guests. If you have deliveries, yung mga Grab, dito na sila mag-wait. And you have a parking area on the other side of the property. In terms of the size, this can accommodate even a van because of the height. But in terms of the width of the space, I think this is good enough for one large vehicle. This can't fit 2 large sedans, but it's up to you. If you just have a small car and you have a motorcycle, this is also a good fit. This is access towards the service area. We'll take a look at that later. But for now, let's head on over towards the main entrance. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have an open-planned living and dining space. And you have the 3 bedrooms surrounding this area. You have a high ceiling and you have an accent for the molding. That brown accent which matches the baseboard. So very minimalist, very clean, white walls all throughout. You also have this matte feel for the tiling, easy to clean. And this is where you can have your living room set. You have a cable provision already on this other side. So this is where you can have your TV. In terms of the direction of the sunlight, you have the afternoon sun at the front of the house. Ang maganda is in the mornings, you have the sun on the other side. You can have the front area of the house as a nice morning coffee area. Okay? And then this space is where you can have your dining table. And this is maximized by having this sliding door here. So you have an additional tiled space here. Yeah, an additional alfresco space. You have a wooden design for this area, giving it a warmer feel. And then you have access here leading to the leading to the back of the house. Okay, and then dito naman sa kabila, you have access towards the front. Okay, just to give you an orientation. I also wanna mention you have quality windows and sliding doors here, very sturdy and well made. Now, from your dining and living space, let's take a look here. You have your kitchen area. There. So you have this light fixture here. This window looks out towards your parking area. You have your breakers here. They're very straightforward. This is where you can have your range hood or cooktop, and then the refrigerator on the other side. Okay, there. Potentially, you could have a sliding door here or a swinging door. It's up to you. They just left it open so that it's up to you, especially if you're getting an interior designer. And then what you have here is the access door that I spoke about before, heading towards the parking area. So that's important kasi if you have groceries, diretso na dito. And then you have the bathroom for the staff here. Okay, with the window for ventilation. And then up here, you have stairs leading to the staff room, which is located right above the parking space. So here's a quick look there. Now we're back. Time to take a look at the rooms. Now, so far, my assessment for this property is this has many potential uses. If you are a person who is looking for a bachelor pad and you don't want to be in a condo, this is a fantastic setup. You can make one a home office, one your bedroom, and then one a guest room. This is also excellent for buyers who are looking for a property that's easy to manage, especially if you're coming from like a 5, 6, 7 bedroom property and you just have 2 or 3 people who are looking for a home. This is a great find. And if you're coming from a 1 or 2 bedroom condo or studio condo and you're looking to scale up, you have a growing family, this is also a great find. To give you an idea, this is a secure community. There's a park area also here, 24-hour security. It's great for having pets also, and it's great also for jogging and biking. So very family friendly. Okay, let's take a look at the rooms. First room here. Okay. So in terms of the size, very good size. You can have a table, but at the same time still have space left over for a bed, and then very well lit. You have your service area here. That's the view that you have. So the house just finished construction. That's why you still have a lot of construction materials here that are gonna get cleared out. You have a provision here for a window type air conditioning unit. And what I noticed is, this is one tip if you're looking at houses for sale. Tignan nyo kung gaano kapulido yung pagkakalapat ng flooring dun sa baseboard. Kasi sometimes pag nakikita nyo ang lalaki ng gap dyan, tas nag-roll, that's a sign of poor quality. But for this particular property, kita nyo magandang-maganda yung pagka-layout. So from there, that's the first room. They have a shared bathroom here. Let's take a look at the shared bathroom. There. Okay, very straightforward, very monochromatic. Talagang gray and white. But that's a large window, so ramdam mo nga yung breeze coming in. So well ventilated yung bathroom. This is the second bedroom. In terms of the size, the last one is slightly bigger, but this room makes up for it because my window. Having a large window gives you a feeling of greater space even if smaller yung bedroom. Maganda is, I can imagine having your bed right here. You have sunlight as you wake up, and then lots of potential dito sa space outside it. Yan. So this area, you can potentially make this a garden area. So you have a wall garden here. That's an idea para mas refreshing yung view for the 2 bedrooms here. You have a provision ready for a window type air conditioning unit, and then you have storage. There. So naka-recess na siya into the wall. That means hindi siya naka-stick out. So regular yung shape and feel ng room. So this is quite a refreshing tour for me personally because we also do a lot of tours for massive houses which are so beautiful, but we know that we also have viewers who are also looking for properties of this size. So there's a property for every family, there's a property for every buyer, and hopefully if you're watching this and you're looking for something like this, send us a message. And here is a third room. This is the primary room. Obviously, kitang-kita nyo that it's a much more spacious room than the last two. It's a corner room. And you have a provision again for a window type air conditioning unit. You can close this up, make a split type air conditioning unit to be installed here if you'd like. And then once again, you have that rich wooden color for the flooring. And then this one has a solo bathroom. Oh. And then I'll walk in so you see the space. Okay. Shower area, water closet, and then HCG for the sink, and then an additional walk-in closet space. Okay, now let's also take a quick look at the back of the house para at least may orientation lang. This might not be the super glamorous part of the tour, but if you're buying a house, it's important to look at every part. Okay, so good clearance setback from the perimeter of the house to the wall. This is what I was talking about. This is the view that we saw earlier. So this can be a utility space. It's up to you how you want to maximize this area, but that is just making sure that we went through every corner of the house. If you want to know more about this property in BF Homes, Paranaque City, you can contact us through our contact details in the description below. And if you'd like to follow us and send us a message, you can also do that through Instagram and Facebook. If you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.